Unit 6. Extra Activities. Track 42. Listen to these boys and girls talking about what they're going to be. Circle the job each person is going to do. 1. When I finish school, I'm going to work in my father's restaurant for a year. I really like working in the kitchen, making delicious food for people. Then I'm going to go to college to train. Perhaps one day I'll have my own restaurant. 2.
At school, my best subjects are English and Arabic. I'm also learning French. I'm going to try to get a job in a newspaper office. They always need help with reports from other countries.
3.
My best school subject is mathematics, but I also like geography. I really want to visit other countries. In the evenings, I often go to the airport and watch the planes. As I watch them, I think, one day I'm going to fly one of those.
4.
After school, I'm going to go to training college. My favourite subject is history. I just love it, and I want to tell other students about it later. I'm very patient, so I won't get angry if my students aren't interested in it at first. I'll just have to make my lessons more interesting.
5. My favourite subject at school is science, and I'll need it in the job I'm going to do. I've always liked animals, and I don't like seeing an animal sick or in pain. I want to help make it better. First, I have to go to university though. 6.
At school, I'm quite good at Arabic and IT. You know, working with computers. After school, I'm going to go to college and then get a job in an office, writing letters, answering the phone, talking to visitors, all those things.